All right, welcome to Nobinest, where math becomes easy and clear. So in today's class, we want to look at the question, and of course, we'll use our PEMDAS, and we'll follow the rule as it ought to be. So according to our PEMDAS, it says parentheses. So it means we'll look at what we have in the bracket first. So this is what we'll look at. So let's start with that. So let's look. So we'll start from the bracket. So it means we'll have 8 plus 2 and then multiply by, and then we have in the bracket, what we have in the bracket is 5 minus 3. So, and 5 minus 3 should give us 2. So then we also have 8 to the power of 2, which we'll put outside the bracket. So remember our PEMDAS. So we need to also look at the next one, which is exponent. And we have 2 to the power of 2 here. So let's do that next. So we have 8 plus 2, and then it's multiplying. 2 to the power of 2 should give us 4. So it means we'll have 4 here. And once again, you would see that following the rule PEMDAS, remember, we are talking about PEMDAS. So if we are following the rule, it means the next thing we need to do there is multiplication. Remember, we are following our PEMDAS. So let's continue. So which means if we are following PEMDAS, the next thing we ought to do is this: we need to multiply. So which means we'll now have 8 plus 2 times 4 should give us 8. So we'll have 8 here. And which means that if we add this, we'll have 16 as our final answer. And remember, we used PEMDAS to do this. Okay, so do well to comment, like, and share. And if there's any difficulty, you let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.